This is the home of legends, where every Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is born with passion and precision.
Entry protocols ensure safety, and this phase unveils the transition into the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's main assembly sanctuary.
Rigorous checks maintain standards, protecting the intricate build of the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Witness the birth of the legendary Kawasaki Vulcan 2000, starting with raw materials arriving in epic shipments.
Precision cutting begins the transformation. This process ensures the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's frame withstands 200 horsepower.
Initial burring polishes raw edges. Imagine, from this humble start, the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
A thorough degreasing bath removes impurities, ensuring flawless welding for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's robust structure.
Detailed measurements verify precision. Only perfect pieces advance for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's assembly journey.
Sorted and stored, these components await their role in building the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's iconic frame.
Automated retrieval feeds the bending station, shaping steel for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's ergonomic design.
Laser-guided alignment ensures symmetry, preventing vibrations in the finished Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Tack welds hold positions firm, the first bonds in crafting the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's durable backbone. Precision drilling adds essential mounts, accommodating the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's massive Kawasaki engine. Anti-rust primer application safeguards against elements, vital for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's longevity. Final scan confirms readiness. These prepared materials now advance for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's chassis build. With raw materials fully prepped, the foundation is set for constructing the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's mighty chassis. Rigorous inspection verifies strength. No imperfections allowed in the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's foundational chassis. Powder coating provides tough protection, essential for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's long-lasting chassis. High-temperature curing hardens the coat, delivering a flawless base for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. Coating verification ensures corrosion resistance, vital for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's enduring frame. Critical reinforcements secure pivots, preparing for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's suspension integration.
Stored chassis await powertrain, and this robust structure defines the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's cruiser dominance.
With chassis complete, the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 advances to integrate its heart and components.
The chassis hull pulses with potential. Here, the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 begins taking true shape.
Precision-built chassis now enter the core assembly, setting stage for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's legendary power.
Safety reminders guide all. This ensures zero incidents in crafting the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Tools are fine-tuned daily, guaranteeing accuracy for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's intricate builds.
Pod segment workflow, optimizing efficiency in the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 production.
Laser-guided transport ensures perfect positioning for Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 integration.
Bearings are pressed in firmly, enabling smooth wheels on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. Brake lines are carefully threaded, setting up safety for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. With entry complete, the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 chassis enters detailed component crafting.
Dive into component subassembly, where the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's vital parts unite, crucial for its stopping power and safety domesance. This phase assembles subsystems. Precision here ensures the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's reliable performance under extreme conditions.
Thickness verification confirms specs, integral for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's dual-disc braking system.
Piston integration builds pressure response, key to the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's responsive stops.
Leak tests validate seals, ensuring no failures in the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's braking.
Bracket mounting readies installation, a sturdy setup for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Pads provide friction, organic compounds chosen for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's smooth modulation.
Final scan logs perfection. Sub-assemblies like this elevate the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Rim polishing enhances aesthetics, vital for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's classic look.
Tire fitting ensures traction. Wide profiles suit the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's cruiser style.
Dynamic balancing prevents vibrations. Smooth rides for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. Axle integration enables rotation. Heavy duty for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's power. Wheel mating advances build, enhancing mobility for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. Final fastening locks it in, and subcomponents now set for Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 powertrain.
With sub-assemblies complete, the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 readies for its powerhouse Kawasaki engine.
Precise torquing locks the power plant, critical for handling the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's immense low-end grunt.
Sealed connection prevents leaks. Robust for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's heavy-duty cruising.
Multi-plate wet clutch assembles, designed to handle the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's torque surges.
Cover seals the clutch. Polished chrome enhances the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's visual impact.
Initial lubrication protects internals, vital from first startup in the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Kevlar reinforced belt drive installs, quiet and maintenance-free for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. Belt routing completes drive, engineered for longevity in the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Exact tension ensures efficiency. No slip under the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's power loads. Guards protect and beautify. Classic cruiser styling for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Dual exhaust headers install, deep rumble tuned for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Balanced flow enhances sound. Signature note of the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Iconic teardrop tank mates, holding 21 liters for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's long-range cruising.
Electronic fuel injection pump integrates. Precise delivery for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's V-twin. Powertrain complete and glorious, the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 now breathes life, ready for electronic integration.
Body assembly ignites the style. The Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's classic cruiser lines emerge with this signature teardrop fuel tank installation. This phase shapes the icon. Flawless body panels define the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's timeless, muscular aesthetic. Deep chrome fender installs, enhancing the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's bold road presence.
Precise fastening avoids rattles. Classic curves for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Wide rear fender structure rises, built to hug the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's 200mm rear tire.
Layered chrome panels complete coverage. Luxurious finish for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Fin side covers highlight muscle, fossa, cooling, and style for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
High-flow air cleaner feeds the beast, essential breathing for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Comfortable seat frame installs, foundation for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's long ride luxury. Hand-stitched leather completes seating. Plush comfort matches the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's power. Low-slung seat locks in. Ideal posture for commanding the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Iconic white bars install. Relaxed control for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's highway mastery. Slews. Classic round headlight crowns the front, piercing illumination for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Emblems declare identity. Heritage branding on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Temporary protection preserves shine, readying the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's stunning body for wiring. Body complete and majestic, the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 now awaits its nervous system.
Electronics breathe intelligence. The Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's complex wiring harness integrates, enabling fuel injection and modern rider aids.
This phase awakens the beast. Precise electronics transform raw power into refined performance for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. ECU links to every sensor, mapping optimized for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's torque curve. Coils deliver fiery sparks. Sequential firing for smooth V-twin operation in the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Intake sensors feed real-time data, crucial for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's EFI precision.
Injectors atomize fuel perfectly, delivering power efficiently to the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Rear lighting integrates seamlessly. Bright LEDs for safety on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Ergonomic switches control all. Intuitive layout for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 rider.
Power source installs. High cranking amps needed for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's big displacement.
Solid grounding prevents issues. Reliable circuits throughout the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Protection fuses guard components, organized for service on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
First breath, systems come alive. Electronics verified on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Okay, optimize.
No faults detected, flawless integration for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Reveal the glory. Pristine chrome emerges on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Electronics perfected. The Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 now enters final precision tuning.
Precision alignment begins. Geometry perfection ensures the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 tracks true at highway speeds with zero wobble.
This phase refines handling. Millimeter adjustments make the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 steer effortlessly despite its mass.
Rear alignment synchronizes with front, balanced for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's stable cruising.
Pivot torque maintains flexibility, essential dynamics for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Preload tuning optimizes sag. Comfortable yet controlled ride on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Fork pressure fine-tuned. Progressive damping for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Handlebar alignment prevents pull. Straight tracking for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Lever reach customized. Comfort during long hauls on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. Rear visibility enhanced. Safety feature on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Floorboards positioned for relaxed legs. Classic cruiser stance on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. Dual shift capability refined. Effortless gear changes on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. Brake fluid filled dot spec. Powerful stopping for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Tire pressures optimized. Grip and longevity for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Hand detailing reveals perfection. Showroom shine on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Finishing touches complete. The Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 stands ready for rigorous validation. Precision perfected. Now the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 faces final quality scrutiny.
Quality control demands perfection. Every Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 undergoes meticulous scrutiny to meet legendary Kawasaki standards before release.
This phase safeguards excellence. No detail escapes inspection on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Fastener torque verified, ensuring enduring reliability in the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Fluid checks prevent issues. Crystal clear for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Hydraulic integrity confirmed. Powerful, fade-free stopping for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Signature rumble checked. legal yet thrilling for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Geometry double-checked. Straight line stability guaranteed on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
It's flawless.
Visual perfection demanded. A mirror-like finish on every Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Dyno testing commences. Real-world performance validated for the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Warm-up ensures accurate readings, preparing the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 for power runs. Full throttle dyno run measures output, confirming the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000's massive torque.
Numbers exceed expectations. Proven power delivery in the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Leak inspection seals integrity. Zero escapes on the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Final sign-off achieved. This Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is officially perfect.
Tested and triumphant, the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 advances to its journey's end.
Quality assured. Now the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 enters final packaging and dispatch. Final packaging protects perfection. The Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is cradled securely for its journey to dealers worldwide. Robust crating shields against transport, ensuring every Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 arrives immaculate.
Lid secured airtight. The Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is now fully packaged.
Safe lift to storage, joining ranks of ready Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 motorcycles.
Inventory logged precisely. Hundreds of Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 await dispatch.
Easy, stop!
Kawasaki trucks arrive hungry, ready to carry the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 to new horizons. Precise loading prevents shifts. Safe transit for every Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
Kawasaki truck fully loaded, a convoy of power ready to depart.
Dispatch complete. The Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 begins its journey to enthusiasts worldwide. The factory never sleeps, crafting more legendary Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 motorcycles.
We are proud of every single one.
And this is how modern factories produce the Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 from start to finish.
Each one a masterpiece. The Kawasaki Vulcan 2000, ready to conquer roads. Last preparation sealed. Adventure awaits every Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 owner. From raw steel to roaring cruiser, the Kawasaki legacy continues. This is the home of legends, where every Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is born with passion and precision.
Thank you for joining this complete factory journey of the mighty Kawasaki Vulcan 2000.
If you enjoyed this real factory breakdown, hit like and comment your favorite phase below.
Tell us which motorcycle you'd love to see built next. Hayabusa, Ninja, or another icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next build. Ride safe.